Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we're here with Shevdon with a track called Stingkin Rich. Shevdon is a young artist. Shevdon linked me up on the gram at Jamaica_verse_gamer and say, yo, Red Dogs. I'm say, alright, then boom bam. From about a couple of weeks now, him sent me the first track. I'm supposed to do it, but obviously because I'm so distracted, new baby born and you don't know the war go on. So I was focusing on the war. So did you remind me? So I'm say, yo, alright then bro, there. So I can put in the work. Young artists can also link up and just DM me and ask me the procedure and you don't know. You see me? If you can work it, you work it. If you can't work it, that's how it goes. You see me? So yeah, we're there with Shevdon Stingkin Rich. Is a young artist, guys. But this is an official audio visual. So young artist, so I'm gonna leave a link to him channel. If you like what you see, if you like what you hear, you can forward over there and give him some support. You see me? You don't know, say one and watch the other. Alright? So we're gonna jump in there and here with the GSA. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. JAMAICA'S Records project.
Jordan, the GOAT, the greatest ever.
Let's start get the figures up. German coupe on 23 rims. Cuban link, cameras freezing.
Easy. It's Vice. The boss will say, yo, let's talk in, yo, get the figures up, brother. So I'm going to say, yo, a Cuban link. You don't know, see, as a German whip. You don't know if a German whip, you know, see, a BMW or Benz or Audi. So you don't know. The boss standard eye. You know why I'm standard eye? Because he put in the work. You hear him say, let's talk in. Get the figures up. You see me?
Let's talk in, get the figures up. German coupe on 23 rims. Cuban link, cameras freezing. 3 months rent from a Louis V kicks brawling.
You hear that? 3 months rent. 3 months rent. That's a year rent. Fee him Louis V kicks in, brother. So what you spend in 3 months for year rent, that's what he must spend on shows. Road.
Cameras freezing. 3 months rent from a Louis V kicks brawling. Splash on the back of rock. You are for lucky when they see me in a commoners. Drop the whip on by your house and give my mother that.
Yo, the boss say you have to lucky when you see him, brother. So the boss will tell you, say, yo, me not commoners. You know why? Because me not in the streets every day. Even though me in the streets, I'm not in your side. I'm busy making my money. When you see me at a party, me book feet. I never walk and look feet. You see me? And I wasn't just added. You see me? I'm a star. So I have to live like a star. Exclusive. Yeah. Then him say, yo, him go to boom and buy a house. But guess what him do the house? Him give mommy that. They don't know. You see me?
3 months rent from a Louis V kicks brawling. Splash on the back of rock. You are for lucky when they see me in a commoners. Drop the whip on by your house and give my mother that. Stinkin Rich man and me better than that. Fat this man press out. Mil per mil man rich out.
Rich out. Mil per mil. Millions. The boss soon reach a billions with a B. You see me? Look at money I ground. Jeez, cross.
Fat beast man press out. Mill pan mill man reach out. Enough gal inna the place can't lend out one. Man a done me no pussy can't send out from.
Enough gal in the place, brother. Me can lend out one, brother. Me can lend her out. Cause guess what? Nah, go miss her. Cause me have whole heap of gal. That's already the G say, you see me? And the boss I tell you, say, yo, brother, you ain't up on the send out thing, bro. You can't send me out, bro. Man a boss. Think man a basket.
Enough gal inna the place can't lend out one. Man a done me no pussy can't send out from. Boss coming like dead horse. Whole heap of money for spend out. Whole heap of girl for fuck out. US and pound if you this a get pun out. Expensive.
US and pounds, brother. Foreign currency. Dead faces in pockets. Yeah. You see me? If you this, you get pronounced. Doctor go pronounce you.
Whole heap of girl for fuck out. US and pound if you this a get pun out. Expensive scent pan designer. Italian beats, me no go China. Bad bitch I give me top with the saliva. Give thanks cause I got that for my provider.
Man say bad bitch I give him top. I give him the uku 3000 I wet. With the saliva, with the pit. You see it? Yeah? Them lifetime I live.
Expensive scent pan designer. Italian beats, me no go China. Bad bitch I give me top with the saliva. Give thanks cause I got that for my provider. R.I.P. to my dogs when they are now.
So even though him a live that type of lifestyle there, him still a give thanks. Cause him believe in the Father above. You see me? And him a say R.I.P. to him dead friend them. R.I.P. to the G them a drop out will never make it. You see me? And him know say, yo, if the G them they make it, run him. While him a make it, if him G them is still alive, them it a good. You see me?
Give thanks cause I got that for my provider. R.I.P. to my dogs when they are now. We are come from far, now we make it out. Couple mil on the line with the cash out. If you're not talk figures, better shut your ass mouth.
If you're not talk figures, brother, shut your ass mouth. Shut your mouth if you're not talk money. And money we think them, bro.
With the cash
Yeah.
out. If you're not talk figures, better shut your ass mouth. Fat beast man press out. Mill man reach out. Enough gal inna the place can't lend out one. Man done me no pussy can't send out from. House coming like dead horse. Whole heap of money for spend out. Whole heap of girl for fuck out. US and pound if it less lacking. Get the figures up. German coupon 23 rims. Cuban link memories freezing. 3 months rent from a Louis V kicks brawling. Splash on the back of rock. You are for lucky when they see me in a common house. I drop the whip on by your house and give my mother that stinking rich man and bitch better than that.
Talk your shit, bro.
Fat beast man press out. Mill man reach out.
Talk your shit, bro.
Girl inna the place can't lend out one. Man a done me no pussy can't send out from. House coming like dead horse. Whole heap of money for spend out. Whole heap of girl for fuck up. US and pound if it this a get pronounced.
Yeah. If you this a get pronounced. But Skull. Watch his skull. Yeah. Yo, big up yourself, G. Big up yourself. Bro, big up yourself. It's got a very distinctive voice, bro. Big word to me. Distinctive voice. In voice, you can tell it, say, yo, that is Shevdon singing that, you know. But you have talent, fam. You have talent. And it's good to promote your music also, bro, because you have it, bro. You have it. Video clean. Big up the video personnel. Big up production team behind the one as always. Big up the artist CMA. Shevdon keep putting in the work, bro. That one here fire, bro. That one here, like, I think if it get the rotation that it should get, this is a catchy. It's very catchy. It's very catchy. You see me? Him just like, him not kill out himself on the beat neither. Just smooth with it. And that's a do him thing. You see me? And I make him presence felt in on the track, dog. And the music video come back down to everything I must say in the lyrics as well. You see me? So big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Thumbs up from me, fam. Big up yourself, G. Keep doing that shit. You see me? Yeah, dog. You're talented, bro. Keep doing it, fam. You see me? Active. What? Big up yourself, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.